What is up, guys? Everybody playing a Hunter Call of the Wild on the Layton Town District. I got my dog here. His name's Jeff. He's ready to rip. Let's get right into the video. I don't know what happened. All I know is I got a 50 caliber, and it's about to get really interesting. So, put yourself close. It's very serious. I don't know what's gonna happen. Could be moose 10 feet away from me right now. I have no idea. Okay, I got my shotgun. 50 caliber, and my 338 rifle. So. And a call, so for anything that's on this map, so see what can happen, I guess. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay, let's go top this hill and start calling for Moosey Moose, because there's probably a moose. Where's the freeze feeds on that, buddy? Stop up. Map 1358. Just after the feed zone. Okay. I don't know, my computer's being so stupid. I have no idea. It's never like this, I swear. Only when I'm recording, I swear. I don't know why. It really makes me mad. Just right there. I see it. Okay. I can see some moo-moos, cold push right there. Go over there. Okay, what's his score? Should be 3. Look at it. He is 300 yards away and there's 8 of them. Where? I don't see no 8 moose, do you guys? We're gonna need the big guns for this, boys. I wanna call all the way to him. So I'm gonna try and call him in actually a little bit. Trying to call him in real quick. He's over here somewhere, I know he is. Little devil. I better shoot this moose. This moose better be RKO by the time I'm done with him. There he is. Oh, she's another one. We're gonna stop right here and X, R, nope. Oh yeah, this person's gonna be fired up, boys. Watch where it goes. I'm about to take this off me here, boys. Okay?
Oh.
Almost taking drown him. Come here. I can do it. He's broadside. I'm taking it. Oh jeez. So I got a headshot or what should I do? Hey Moose, eat this. He's running. Okay. Well, he's running. I don't know what that means. My call is currently kind of exploding itself, so now we gotta run all the way over there. It's gonna be my 50 caliber. If I shot it, I'll be very surprised, to be honest with you, because I suck at shooting. So I should probably go to a shooting range because I'm not bad. You guys can laugh. I'm serious. Okay. Okay. Drop a leg for that 200-yard shot, boys. That's pretty good. Got my dog named Jeffrey about to track this moose here, boys. Where's he at, boys? What in the heck was that, dog? Oh, that's in a deer right there. Oh, he's about to get the smoke. He was about to get it, okay? I ain't even kidding you. We got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left of this video because I'm using a free scoring recorder. And it's only allowed to record for 10 minutes. So I know it's really sick. I love that. Love it. Gotta love it, boys. Almost had a missed that thing, because honestly, Oh, there's moose right there too. Oh, son of a pup. He's broadside too, buddy. Let's sneak up on him. We're gonna name this guy Jeff. Yep, he's right here. Oh, jeez, that might be a diamond, man. That's a big moose. So just two of them? Son of a pup. I think there's just two of them, guys. I don't see any blood, so I'm not that worried about that moose. Now, if there's blood, I'd be really worried about it, but there's not, so. God, I could just smoke him from here, man. I could. Or shot. 130 yards. Oh, he's coming right to me, buddy. Come on, dude. Do not lag out right now. Man, I could just freaking. He's done. That moose just dropped. There is no way. I hit him right in his heart. That was like the perfect shot for that. Okay. Wait, I need to be the track. He's 150 yards away. We could try and go after him though, but I don't think I doubt I shot him. I doubt I hit him, to be honest with you guys, but I'm pretty sure what this moose is up to, honestly. If I go over here and I see him, I'll shoot him. How about that? He's 100 yards out. This is an easy shot for this gun. Ah, he ran in the woods. I just seen him. Guys, checking it, guys. Since this guy ran away, I think I was gonna leave him and go after this guy right here. Let's see if we can go get him, guys. What's this right there? Is that another moose? Thought it was. Okay, it's not though. Good. Oh, we got good blood rate though. We'll go after him. Before I end this film, I'll show you guys the gun that I'm using right now. It is a. Oh, what just happened? Oh man, it crashed. That's sad. Yeah, drink my drink here, guys. Oh, I don't need it actually right now. So, what the heck? Anyways, it's a muzzleloader. It's pretty much a 50 caliber. It's in a like a hunting pack or whatever you can get. I bought it with the game because it was on sale, so it was really free. So yeah. Steam sales, man. Steam sales. I'll tell you, they're the stuff, guys. See if I can get binoculars out of here. I love playing this game. This game's so fun. I could stay playing this game. I really could. It's so much fun. I love it. Game's an absolute blast. They're sprinting right now, so I must say that they're probably not gonna die, but we'll keep looking for them. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of the part 1. See if I can look at this. What's this? Oh cool. Moose, what's it called? Antler, I believe. So, this is gonna be the end of part 1, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy, and peace.